let's have a little talk about how I start looking for the trades. So every day I wake up around 6 o'clock. So this is my six o'clock candle here. I'll start panning through the charts, see what we've got, looking for equal highs, equal lows, that sort of stuff. As again, to follow these rules. So this to me could possibly be an A plus setup, but we'll see. So here we have some equal highs, roughly. Okay, and as we come down to here, we've got a nice area down here, so I will mark that up as well. Okay, now this is good because obviously we've had a sweep here. Now we just got to see what's going to happen. Are we going to come down to this imbalance? Are we going to come back up and test these equal highs? So at the moment, we've swept, we've taken these equal lows. Now are we going to get a continuation down? Or are we actually going to get a rejection up here or a continuation? So, rule 1, mark up equal highs. Rule 2, mark up equal lows. Done. Set alerts on these areas. Can't set an alert because it's on bar replay. So an alert. Now I've just got to wait for the alert. Am I looking for a rejection or a continuation? So let's play this and see what happens. Boom. That was my alert that's just gone off. Okay, so this is the point now where we're going to be seeing, are we going to be breaking above here, coming back down for a rejection or a continuation? Let's just say, so say if this here was to come here, here, that's going to be my continuation. Let's just say here, so we break here, we come down, come up, back down again. This is going to be my rejection. So we'll wait and see. So okay, so the alert's gone off. Now we can swap to the 1 minute time frame. That's for the rules. So after alert, use a 1 minute time frame. Mark up the areas for a change of character. So for me, I want to get the 1 minute change of character on this. Where are we looking for? Ideally, this area here. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, let's go with this area right here. Push up, push down. Okay, this is actually our push down and push up. So this here is where we're going to be looking. Okay, so well, let's come back down. Give me a change of character on this area right here. Let's see what it does. So yeah, we've got to break a structure. Obviously, again, it's come back up. Now, again, we formed some more equal highs here on the 1 minute. That's fine. We're going to follow the rules. Mark up the 1 minute change rate. Wait for the candles to come back into the area, which was this line here. Another rejection must be visible. Again, this is another rejection. After the rejection, use the line for the entry, and so that's this area right here. So we're going to set this up right now. We need a short position, not a long. And we cover these highs. Okay, take profit must be a sweep of the previous session or the second to last imbalance. So here we have the Asia session. Now we can either target this to be our TP, or we can go for this imbalance. Nope, that's one. This is the second. So what we're going to do on this one is we're going to target the session, I think. Let's see what this gives us. I mean, technically it gives us about 1 to 14, 1 to 15 roughly, 14 and a half. Okay, let's see what happens. Tapped in there. Boom. There we go. Now that is my entry criteria and my take profit criteria, which is really important on setting up trades. The take profit is almost just as important as your entry. So I'm also going to talk about my scaling plan. And we'll put a text box here. So I want $250. Don't know, where's my dollar sign? Don't know what my dollar sign is. That's fine. 250, and we're scaling that to $25,000. How? Well, I've got to be super strict with this entry criteria. Everything has to be spot on. This has to be an A+ setup every single time. Now, for the first $1,000, I'll be using 10% per trade up to $1,000. Once I get to $1,000, my next plan is going to be $2,500. That's going to be at 7.5%. Okay, after that, oh god. Okay, so after I get to 2,500, the next stage is going to be $5,000, and after that we're going to be using 5%. Then the next stage will be 10,000. Okay, so once we hit the 10,000 mark, we'll be then at 2.5%. Okay, and then I think from there we're going to be risking 2.5% until we hit our total of $25,000. There we go. Here's some people might think this is a bit mad, but this is a challenge. One of the other reasons why I want to do this challenge is because psychology has always been the hardest thing for me. Obviously, I've been part of a trading community for quite a while now. I think that my psychology and my trading plan is on point. Prop firms, yeah, I seem to never get a payout of a prop firm. So I'm doing this with my own self-funded account. So I go from $250. $250, and I'm going to grow that to 25,000. I don't know how long this is going to take. There's going to be a lot of up and downs with this, and we will see what the outcome is. But who knows? If it doesn't work, we can just reassess these trading rules, and we can just go from there. But who knows? We'll figure this one out as we go along. Anyway, see you later.